Hey everybody, Kerry here from Bab's Beauty Warehouse. Hello. I've got a cut here that we never talked about, or we don't carry much because we don't see it too often. Let me bring it over in the car. This is the Abacus cut. I love this cut. Now this Carl is enhanced and it's a special price. We're gonna run a special price of $13 a strand on it. And the Sleeping Beauty Turquoise is not enhanced. It's totally natural and has that really cool abacus cut. Maybe you can make an abacus with it. But the two of them together, let me zoom out. The two of them together are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And you can use them as spacers. It would be cool to make a piece alternating, because the turquoise is small. With the turquoise, sprinkle it into the coral, because the two colors go together absolutely beautifully. So what we're doing, we're going to run the Sleeping Beauty Turquoise for only $21 a strand. There's 16-inch strands. And the coral, $13 a strand. Also 16-inch strands. I just love these. Let me put them together, and I love them together. Look how beautiful they are together. So $13 a strand, $21 a strand. We have a few strands in stock, as you can see. And hey, subscribe. You can click our little icon up there to subscribe to our video. And you'll have a great day.